What we are going to discuss?
Rules for image formation by convex mirror.
Yeah. Rules for image formation by
Convex mirror.
convex mirror. How many rules we are having?
Two.
What are they?
When the object is at infinity.
When the object is at
Infinity.
what is the second rule?
When the object is located between infinity and pole.
So when the object is located between
Infinity and pole.
pole. So in first case, what happens? If the object is at infinity, if the object is at
Infinity.
the incident rays drawn are always
Parallel to the principal axis.
parallel to the
Principal axis.
So what happens when they hit the mirror? They will
Diverge.
diverge. They will
Diverge.
from the mirror. So if you draw the imaginary lines from the diverging lines, they will meet at focus. They will meet at
Focus.
so the position of the image will be at
Point.
position of the image is at the position of the image is at
Focus.
the nature of the image will be
Erect.
virtual and
Erect.
the size of the image is
Point.
the size of the image will be
Point size.
so in second case what happens if the object is located in between infinity and pole infinity and pole so what we'll do we'll draw a ray parallel to the principal axis and second incident ray passing through the center of curvature. What happens? The line drawn parallel to the principal axis will diverge. And if we extend that one, it will pass us through the focus. So when the second incident ray passing through the center of curvature, what will happen? It will also diverge. And if you draw extension lines, they will pass through the same center of curvature. Same center of curvature. So where they will meet? They will meet in between pole and focus. So what is the location of the image? Position of the image. Location of
Pole
position of the image.
and focus.
So the position of the image is in between
Between pole and focus.
pole and
Focus.
so what is the nature of the image?
Partial erect.
Virtual and
Erect.
what is the size of the image?
Small.
Small. So since we compare with the object, it is small. Okay.